So let's welcome my Triple G OGs. Since competing on Triple G, she's taken the Miami food scene and the competition world by storm, Chef Mika Leon. Two-time Triple G winner and four-time competitor, East Coast Executive Chef, Nick Moulton. And another two-time champion, NorCal Executive Chef, Abbie Serbins. The OGs. Looking proud, looking mean. Go get 'em. Welcome back, chefs. Hope you're ready for the competition. Now we're talking about the Triple D OGs. From Flagstaff, Arizona, owner of Salsa Brava, Fat Olives, the one and only Chef John Conley. Kansas City restaurateur, the legendary Stretch. And the Alabama chef that's got too many joints to name. You know him and you love him. It's the one and only Panini Pete. Tonight is all about my favorites. I've invited some of my favorite chefs to come and cook some of my favorite foods while playing one of my favorite games, Triple G Relay.
Oh.
You'll never be in the kitchen together at the same time as your teammate. Instead, you'll be competing in a tag team of 10-minute shifts. One of the chefs will be the first chef that will do the shopping and prepping. The second chef will be doing a lot of the cooking. And the third chef, well, they'll be finishing the cook, plating the dish, and presenting it to the judges. I want you to cook one of my favorite proteins and make the judges a winner's pork dinner. Let's just make it a 3, 2, 1, and just wait for the go.
Yep.
They're off to the races.
So when I hear it's a winner's pork dinner, I'm just gonna grab as much pork. You know, the whole farm of pigs gonna be in there.
Pork cheeks?
What I'm extremely good at is shopping throughout the store, grabbing ingredients that are cohesive. I immediately reach for the double cut pork chop. It just didn't even cross my mind once to open those pork chops and get them into the pan.
I don't know that the first round shopper prep, people really understood the prep part of the first round.
This is by far the hardest game I've ever had to play in Flavortown.
3, 2, 1. That's it. Into the icebox. You have an idea of where you're going?
I think I'm gonna do a like a barbecue. I see tequila. I'm gonna use that as a sauce. So I'm going to marinate my meats first. It's really thick. I have 10 minutes to prepare.
Get that pork cooked.
Cumin, paprika, whatever I have on the table that's free. Real quick.
I'm gonna make pork 3 ways. Deli ham, we're gonna do kind of this little breaded cutlet with a little bit of ham. If I pound these out, I can put that on there as an extra layer of flavor on those tenderloin cutlets. Almost like a salt and boca.
You know, Stretch left me some good clues.
What? So the tequila's in, guys.
Chef, tell me what you think you got going.
I am making it like a Latin plate-inspired sauce.
Where's the cheese gonna go in?
I was gonna mix it over here.
Got it. The goat cheese is gonna go in.
Goat cheese with tequila, sauce of some sort.
Abbie's got a lot of cooking done, I gotta tell you, in
Yes,
this
she did.
round. But we still have not seen the smoking gun utilized in Station 1, the Triple G station. That's mandatory.
Yeah, the smoking gun might be the smoking gun that sends them home.
You will be in the icebox in 45 seconds.
Going! So I've got to set John up for success. So I've got the deli ham pounded into the cutlets of the tenderloin. I've got the pork cheeks pulled up. They've been par cooked, so he's got to see what's going on there. He knows they need to be finished off. The pork chops are grilled in the Dutch oven with the smoke gun right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chef, that's it. You're done. Icebox. Can't touch anything else.
Oh my gosh, they're out.
John, Mika, you're up.
Go.
Don't blow a hip out, Conley.
All right.
I'm gonna be making kind of like a fufu de plátano, mashed green plantains, kind of adding my little touch to this dish.
I know that I gotta put the smoke on it. I'm gonna make porco al carbón con fumar, which is pork that is grilled and then smoked.
I see the pork chops coming out of the fryer, and they're nice golden brown.
Deep fried pork?
I love it.
Oh. I would say that in terms of this being a winner pork dinner, the double cut was really selling it for me.
Yeah.
I feel like I made my teammates proud. I feel like the dish looks really composed, and it looks like there was a process behind it, which we all know there wasn't.
30 seconds.
Thank goodness in the last couple of minutes, John has grabbed that tequila, made a cream sauce out of it.
Go, Johnny. Go, Johnny.
Go.
Triple D.
Holy cow. Nice job. Nice job. I like it. It's really good. Finally, to hit the home run, to bring it all together, the fennel cream sauce, the creme de la creme. Finish the plate with that.
Sauce.
Here comes the sauce, baby!
Go.
4, 3, 2, 1. Chefs, that's it. Stop working. Judges, here we are. Guys' favorite relay challenge between two teams that are near and dear to my heart. We have the Triple G OGs and the Triple D OGs. We thought we would start off with the Triple G OGs. Chef Mika, season 2.
I'm happy to be back. Thank you, guys.
All right, so why don't you give us the interpretation of what you believe your dish was supposed to be and also what had to be incorporated?
I am from Miami and I am Cuban and I saw a lot of pork everywhere. I also saw a smoker. This is my interpretation of a pork dinner. It's a chuleta frita with a smoked fufu de plátano and some blistered tomatoes and, you guessed it, more pork fat and a nice creamy decadent sauce. I don't know how you got there, but you did, right? Tequila, check. Smoking gun, check. Pork, check. And then you got the goat cheese as well. This is not easy stuff. I'll be watching you come in and just absolutely crush that cook, and just checking off all those boxes that needed to happen was really, really impressive. Tomatoes are great with the acidity. I question the goat cheese. Works. There he is. There he is. Yeah.
What hot mess did you make us?
What I presented today was porco con fumar al carbone. So we grilled the pork chop, we added smoke to it. I made a tequila cream with fennel, and on top we've got another fried component, pork on the side.
It is so good.
All right.
You needed to use tequila, you needed to use a smoke, you needed to use pork. I think you guys did it 3 or 4 different ways, and that's a winner's dinner, right?
Seriously, this was a bunch of my favorites. You made good use of your time. Shopping Flavortown Market is no easy task, but there can only be one winner. The winner of Guys' Favorites is the Triple D OGs. Are you ready to shop the market for some cash?
Yes, you know it.
I have 3 clues on the card that lead to ingredients in the market. You're gonna have to shop for them relay style.
Oh, no.
Running into the market, one person at a time, finding the ingredient, bringing it back, and then the other chef gets to do the same with the cart, going for a different item. You bring back all 3, and I will give you $15,000. So I'm gonna read this first item to you, Stretch. As soon as you think you know what it is, you run and get it. Feel good about this?
Not at all.
Okay, fantastic. It's tiny pickled green buds are essential to chicken piccata. Go.
Go.
He's up.
Capers.
Panini, you're going
Caper
next.
up. I'm going next.
Bam, knew instantly it was capers. And I go flying down the aisle, and as I'm turning the corner, I realize I picked peppercorns and not capers.
Coarsely ground corn commonly served as a hot cereal or a side dish in the South.
Grits. Where's my grits?
Where is it?
Grits. Stone ground. They're coarsely ground. Let's go.
French pork sausage, often used in Cajun cooking. French pork sausage, often used in Cajun cooking. 10, 9,
John. Just grab all of them. Let's go. Grab all of them.
5, 4, 3,
Come on.
2, 1, stop.
I knew it was andouille, and I just didn't have enough time. Time ran out. It was right there.
And I'll tell you what, I asked for this to be Guys' favorite. These are some of our Triple D favorites, and there's no way that I cannot let these guys go away without $15,000, because most of it goes to charity.
$15,000, no hollers. Triple D OGs just want that 15 grand, baby. We're splitting up 3 ways, going right to the PR Foundation. Woo!